To set private DNS on Android and block trackers. Start by understanding what DNS is. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It is like a phonebook for the internet, translating domain names into IP addresses that your device can understand. By default, your device uses the DNS service provided by your internet service provider or network operator, which may not be private and can be used to track your online activities. To set up a private DNS on your Android device, go to the Settings app and select Wi-Fi and Network. Tap on the gear icon next to your current network connection. Scroll down and select Advanced. Then tap on Private DNS. You will see two options: Automatic and Manual. For Automatic, your device will use the private DNS service provided by your network operator. If available, for Manual, you can enter the host name of a private DNS service provider. Some popular private DNS service providers include Cloudflare and Google. For example, to use Cloudflare's private DNS, enter the host name as 1.1.1.1.dns.cloudflare.com. After entering the host name, tap Save. Your device will now use the private DNS service you selected. This will help block trackers and protect your online privacy. It is also important to note that while setting up a private DNS can help block trackers, it is not a foolproof method and should be used in conjunction with other online security measures, such as a virtual private network and a secure browser. By following these steps and best practices, you can help protect your online privacy and security on your Android device.